I made a video once before about how to make a flagpole, and seemed like a lot of people liked it, so I was going to show y'all again, just so have it recent so more people can see it. And plus, back then I did not have as good of a setup as I do now. But you want to buy just a little piece of PVC pipe, and you can cut it in half along with your bed right there. And then what I did is I painted it so it inside my bed you could not tell unless you knew it was there and you was looking at it, you could not tell. Then there's U-clamps. You can buy them, a 4-pack of them, real cheap. And I painted that black also. And your screws, and before you screw them in, you can paint them black. So all of it's black. And as long as nobody knows, they won't see it there much. Mine's been on here for a long time, and this thing scraped a little bit off, but that's the first part. That's the stand for the flagpole. And then the flagpole itself, this is pipe for people that like run cords underneath the ground and stuff. And you can buy them in 6-foot sections, and that's what I bought. And then these, they're called, I think, eye bolts, like an eye. And you're gonna get 2 nuts, put one on each side of it, and hold it in there real good. And then you can either just put zip ties on the flag in there and hold the flag right where it needs to be, or you can get some clamps and put on there, hold it better. But I just measured out how far in between the flag is, and then put zip ties on there, and there it is. Now when you want to fly your flags, you can just throw them up there like that, slide them right down in there. That's kind of the reason you want to use this, because you can bend it back and it won't break it. It's kind of pole it is. Just real easy, simple. Time if you ever want to put your flags up, you just it don't take 10 seconds. I keep them in the bed of my truck always. Don't take long at all. Just throw them up or take them right down. It's easy. Alright. I was with my cousin, and he had some tent, so I bought it from him real cheap. And we're going to put this tent on there in a few days. I got one of my buddies that can put on tent pretty good, and he's going to put this tent on my windows for me pretty cheap. It's 5%, so it's pretty dark. It's going to be the same darkness as the back glass right here, back windows. Pretty dark, you see. And it's only going to be on my front windows. And I can't decide if I want to put one on my top strip of my glass or not. But I'm going to get my friend, he's going to put that on. And I'll show y'all a little bit from when we're putting it on. I've had it on there once before, but it was not done right. This time I'm going to get it done right. And I'll show y'all a little bit of it. And there's a lot of things that I've done to my truck that y'all ain't been able to see because I ain't been making videos of. But in one of these videos, I'm going to post a bunch of pictures and videos of stuff that we've done that y'all not even know it was done to my truck, just so y'all can see what it has been. Because sometimes I'd do something on it or something, and I'd decide I'd not like it and take it off. So I'm going to let y'all put videos and pictures of it, of times I took stuff off before y'all got to see it, and I'll show y'all all that too. But that's about it for this.